Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Parker's Mystery Table. So we got two cameramen, a producer, a person waiting on the side. We have like $70 worth of stuff here. This is what happens when you ask producers to make a YouTube video with you. I ask them, put up a table, and then you guys give me a challenge that I have to do, and then now we're here. And now it's time for television cameras. Wow. We have a guest today, our first ever guest on the show. No one's ever been a guest. Nadine!
Yay!
Welcome. This is a producer on Parker Plays.
Hello, hello, hello.
We needed a guest, and she was already here, so.
It's Saturday. I'm getting paid, right?
Battle Nadine in a blindfold name. What?
In blindfold name that food competition.
Oh, that makes it. Did you write this?
No.
Battle Nadine in a blindfold name that food competition.
There you
Loser
go.
must drink a smoothie of all the mystery foods blended together.
Oh.
Okay, so over here I assume we have numbers of foods, and then over here we got a little spinner. So we spin it. Whatever food it lands on, we have to eat that food blindfolded. If we guess the food wrong, we have to put that food in a blender. The person with the least amount of points by the end has to drink it. Okay, did that make any sense?
Parker, you're gonna drink it.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so-
Shall we spin this bad boy?
Yeah.
Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, you go first.
Let's see.
Ooh, here we go. This is a big moment right here.
$1 million. Four.
All right, Parker, can we grab the food, please? Parker, it's number 4. Parker. 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 Parker, listen to me, Parker.
It's a cardboard.
Parker.
It's cardboard.
Oh,
You're gonna have to do it.
I reached into the food on accident. It's cool.
Is it good? How does it look? Is it smelling? Oh my God, don't laugh, please don't laugh.
Oh my.
What is it?
Just smelling it. It's like this. Oh my goodness.
I'm imagining a rat. Like, I don't know why, like a New York City big,
Oh
thick rat.
man. Gosh, I'm literally gonna gag.
Okay.
I'm so glad I don't have to put this into my mouth.
Parker,
Oh man. You don't want to smell it. You don't want
this
to smell it.
smells like what we gave to my grandma's cat Poco. Like,
It smells like your dead cat, Poco.
oh, Poco is dead. No.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We have 8 more to go, Nadine. Just please. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's good. That's
It
good
is
right there.
so
It
wiggly and
smells-
slime.
It's so bad. She's gonna faint. Ah!
There's like hair in it. I'm gonna say that disgusting thing that I put in my mouth is a squid.
A squid.
I don't know. It tastes like something from the sea.
Incorrect. It is fillet of anchovies in olive oil
Ooh.
with capers.
I put that in my mouth.
Look at how awful this looks. It looks like an alien baby. You got them wrong, so Nadine, you gotta put one of those in the blender, and then I'm gonna get them all right, so you gotta eat it at the end. Why is there like bones and stuff?
I don't know.
Who
Just throw it
eats
in. Let's
this?
be done with it, Parker.
Who likes to torture themselves? All right, no more of this,
No,
please.
no, no, whole thing, whole thing.
No.
Whole thing, or else it doesn't work.
All right, that was absolutely disgusting.
Don't do any intros. All right.
Okay, your turn. Put the
It's my
blindfold
turn.
on.
All
No,
right.
spin first.
Let me spin first.
Yeah.
Let me see what I got here.
All right, 0-0.
You got no points. I got
You're
no
not gonna
points.
guess whatever this one is.
Totally am. What's this? What's this? Bankrupt.
Haha.
Too late. Yep. Here you go. Here's my wallet.
You're bankrupt again.
Big money, big money, big money, big money,
Bankrupt.
big money, big money, big money, big money. I almost got bankrupt again.
2.
2. All right,
Okay.
blindfold it is. Do we have scissors to cut eye holes, or? I'm so nervous.
Oh my God, this is so gross.
That's how. Oh my, it's so gross.
It's disgusting.
I've heard your real gags. I know you're faking it.
Parker, this is so disgusting.
Sure it is.
It's like I would never eat it the way it is right now.
Is it a salad? Okay. It feels like a little bit cat food going on here. Dog food. Here it is. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Happy day!
Parker!
This is the best day of my life. Trix. Yes! Tricks are not just for kids.
I actually need to eat some of
They're for
these.
YouTube channels too. 1 point me, 0 points Nadine.
8.
8.
Okay,
Apparently
Okay,
8
I'm gonna have-
doesn't have a T at the end.
a few more of these.
You say it again?
8. What do you mean? 8.
8.
How do you say it?
8.
8.
8.
8.
7, 8.
7, 8.
Walk over. Just follow the sound of my voice. Nadine, follow the sound of my voice. Nadine, follow the sound of my voice. Nadine. Best of luck. Just all of it in your mouth all at once.
No. Oh, okay. It doesn't feel too bad. It feels like a rotten large raspberry because there's the.
What is your caliber of not too a rotten large raspberry? And what world are you like? Oh, not bad. I eat this every morning for breakfast.
Smells like a date.
Nadine, you've never had a date in your life. Let's be honest.
You're eating it.
What?
It's a raisin.
What?
Final answer?
Is a raisin?
It's a raisin. Yeah.
How big are raisins getting to you?
Oh, well, hang on.
Oh, that was final
You
answer.
said final answer.
That's a final answer.
Correct.
Cool.
Did I get it right?
No.
In
No,
what
you said raisin.
what mutant raisins are you eating?
There's a big raisin.
That's a giant raisin. 1 point, 0 points.
You're gonna not do this one.
Here we go. Big money, big money, big money, big money, big money, big money, big money.
6.
Oh, I didn't like that laugh. That sounds evil. Is it a raisin?
Oh.
All right, I think final answer. It's a mango, dried mango.
I thought you said it was a tongue.
That's 2-0. Nadine, you have no points. Good
You
luck.
told me it was a tongue.
I was gonna say, you know what stinks is that Nadine, she gets all the bad food. She gets it wrong. All the bad food's in one blender. All right, we'll get all the dirt and grime and everything else.
No, okay, we don't need dirt and grime.
This
all
one
right.
was in my mouth. Is that cool? All right. Yeah. 1.
Come on. Oh, come on.
What? What is oh come on?
Come on. Oh, come on now. Oh, no.
You are braver than I am. Oh, that doesn't count. Give a little.
You want to try it?
Sure.
No way.
I did it already.
No, you didn't.
It's like 3 feet from your mouth.
Oh, is it baby food?
It is roasted eggplant.
Roasted eggplant.
Yeah, baby food.
It smells like.
Oh,
Roasted eggplant.
It smells like my
that's
uncle.
just roasted eggplant?
That's just
That's
roasted.
it.
I love eggplant and I love roasting it, but not that. Was that in a can?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Oh, that's so unpleasant. So we're just gonna. Big money, big money, big money, big
Come
money.
on.
7.
7.
All right.
Unlucky 7, I'm sure.
If I just accept that it's just delicious, maybe a
This-
little bit of white chocolate.
Okay, here's the
Gross.
so gross. You're gonna hate it.
You're gonna hate this so much.
So much.
Why is it round? I think I already know what it is.
Do you want to say it before you eat it? No, because then you have to lock in an answer.
It's
what
a
do you
Funyun.
think?
Final
Is it a
answer.
Funyun? Final answer, Funyun?
Bonus points if you can name the flavor.
Oh, name a flavor. Oh, there's a little spice to it. I'm gonna say, like hot flavor.
That is a bonus point.
How did you get the tricks and the flaming hots and the whatever you got?
Dude, you have the worst spinning skills. All right, 4-0. Here we go. Nadine, I have 4 points, you have 0 points, which means
Wow,
that no matter what
yay.
happens, you're drinking this. It's your turn right
You know what?
now.
I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna
No, no, no.
drink it. Okay.
I'm gonna give you a challenge. If you guess both 3 and 5, which are the ones left, if you guess both of them, I will drink this.
All right, get him out here. I'm probably gonna be it wrong though.
What is this? Tell me, hold on. Tell me if you,
Are
if
you
could
lying?
guess what this is. Like, do you have any idea?
That is really, that's not.
It's so odd.
That's like alien.
Do you want to smell it?
And we're not even kidding, Nadine. We're not even kidding.
That's so weird. I gotta try it.
Oh, this is like this is dog food. Are you actually eating it?
Oh! Oh! It's so unpleasant.
There's a familiarity to it that I just hate.
It's like Play-Doh. That's what it tastes like. All right, there's that. Keep that in your mind. Now you got one of these.
Okay, so this is
If you guess-
spicy,
if you guess what's inside it.
sugar-covered candy.
Nope, you gotta be more specific. It's not candy, it's fruit, by the way.
Okay, we're gonna do that. This is some type of.
You're gonna lose. Just say anything.
A candy orange,
A candy orange. All right.
and this is beef jerky.
All right. And this goes here. Here we go. Here we
Parker,
go.
please, do we really? Can we
Yes.
Oh,
cut to
no.
commercial?
It's plugged in, yeah?
Nope. Oh God!
It
no.
smells so bad. It looks
I
like you
don't wanna
blended.
do it.
Looks like you blended a family of mice in here.
I don't want to do it.
Oh no!
Nadine, you're not gonna do it, so.
Wait,
Are you doing it?
seriously?
Oh my gosh,
Are
you're
you
really
serious?
doing it?
No, at the same time.
No!
You gotta count down.
Ah!
Oh, it's so thick. Oh. Oh no.
Finn?
3, 2, 1, go!
It is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
What? No.
It is actually not as bad.
No. I don't think it. Oh no, Parker, no.
It's not good, but it has like a sweet and like a spicy to it. Dude, I want to put this on my chips. Just like a little chip and dip.
Oh God.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. This was fun. I might, you know, have some of you over. You guys want to have a Super Bowl party? Get some chips and dip going on here? Thank you for watching, Nadine. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having
Producers,
me.
thank you for setting it up. Good time. All right, here you go. Just take this home. Just drink the rest of it, please.